This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up some storage space on your Android phone. So you can go to your different apps on your home screen here, and if you don't use it anymore, just simply hold down on it just like this, and we can go to Uninstall. Uninstall apps can improve our storage space and our capacity. So you can just go through here and do that as well. Also locate your gallery for your photos and your videos. Sometimes your video files can be rather large. So deleting your video files can help out as well. So we can go up to the top here and we can go to select items and we can go through our pictures and we can delete them. Now there's an easier way to find the video files to delete. We can go to search and just type in files right now. And then if you do delete something, it's not actually deleted yet. So on my Samsung phone, I can go to my files. On my other phones, I can go to files. So on my Google Pixel Motorola, I can go to files. So under here, on my Samsung phone, this is what it looks like. I can see the internal space used. I can go into there, and I can see all the different files on my phone, but I don't need to do that. I can go directly over to video files right here, and I can see if something says GB by it, that means it's a rather large file, and you should look into deleting that. MB is a smaller unit of measurement. So we can just see how much storage space is there. So if we're trying to figure out how much capacity it is, GB is a lot. So we can just go to it and then we can delete it. So we can just hold down it. And we do have the option to delete all. And then we can go back under here. We can go to our audio files. So if we downloaded some music, we can delete that here. We have our installed files. We can go through here. Our documents. And then we have recent files and our downloads. So if we downloaded, we can go into here and just start deleting things if we want to. And then once we delete everything, go over to your trash and just clear out your trash because it's not actually deleted quite yet. So go in there and do that. And then I have my SD card on here, and I can do the same thing for those files in there as well. So another thing that we can go to is our storage. So if we go to the top right and go to settings, scroll line down. Let's go to apps and tap on this. And we can go through our apps list here and just start deleting the apps that are largest. So we can go to size by here. If we tap on this little option right here, we can filter and sort by. And we can just see MB is a little bit smaller than GB. Remember that. So here's Fortnite. This is 8 gigabytes, so that is quite large. Then we can go back to the main settings menu on here, and we can go to storage. And on my Samsung phone, I have device care, so storage is listed in here. I can click on here. Then I can go into storage. It will give me some recommendations on what to delete. So if I have any kind of duplicate files, or if I have any large files, and here's some suggestions, I can tap on this and see what wants me to delete. Then it says free up some space right here. I don't know what that file is. And then it will say here's the trash can, delete that, and then unused apps. So you can go into here and give you a little bit more suggestions. If you swipe right, you can see your SD card. So just look at those different options to free up some memory. Then we can also go to memory here and just close any kind of background apps. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.